Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Maps displaying kilometers to miles. So you can start using miles when you're traveling to a destination. While using Google Maps, it will display everything in miles. So this would be a very easy and simple video. If it has been helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So I'm on my phone right here, I'm on Google Maps, and in the top right you can see a profile picture. Click in there, that's going to give you a bunch of options. Near the bottom there's a gear icon and it says settings. From there we want to scroll down until we find using maps, and then the third option down from there is distance units. When we click in there, you can see you've either got the option to press automatic, kilometers, or miles. Currently it's toggled on kilometers, so everything is displayed in kilometers. But when you want to actually change that to miles, just press miles, and then while you're driving to a location or you're going to a location while using Google Maps, you've got a destination entered, it will display everything from now on in miles. Anyway guys, if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you do have any questions, leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.